All right, round 4 for the Michigan side. A guy, I feel like you've already been up here, Adrian. But nonetheless, let me get his intro for you, if I will, please. Adrian Cosby, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my gosh. Full-time funny man, for sure. First joined the Great Debate in 2017. Since then, he has become a true hometown heel. Here in Columbus and all over the country, Adrian Cosby, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Dino Tripodis.
Tripodis.
That's what I said. I would like to start.
Flag for mispronunciation of my last name, goddammit.
Sustained.
Sustained. I'm putting the flag back.
I'd like to start with some corrections. I erroneously misidentified one of the Ohio State people last year as the football player from The Blind Side. I don't know which one it was. I don't remember. I know. I'm trying to apologize, Jay. It's Jay Cokes. It wasn't him. But I do want to congratulate Jay. He just landed a major role in a new motion picture. They're making a woke Harry Potter. He's going to play Black Hagrid. I want to thank Nikki. I want to thank Nikki's lawyers for temporarily pausing the restraining order she's had on me for the last 6 years so that I could sit next to her today and learn that she's getting a divorce. I mean, it seems like only yesterday, because it was only yesterday I was in the bushes by her house.
Flag.
You was there too, Dino. I'll tell you all a little story because in this past year I've gone through a lot of changes. I am also single now. I mean, I was single last year too, but we're all talking about it, so. In the last year, I realized that I have a male best friend. My male best friend is a little bit younger than me, and you say, well, Adrian, you're so young, but I'll tell you right now, I'm pretty close to 65. In 17 and a half years, I will be 65. When you get this old, you know, it just flies right by. But my best friend, he's 30, and he is an Ohio State graduate. He has a bachelor's and a master's degree from The Ohio State University. Did it in 5 years, and today he is a CPA, a successful CPA here in Columbus. And I said, Nick, I am so impressed that you got all your learning done in 5 years. And his answer to me, all he said was, that was the assignment. And that really struck home because I started going to college in 1996, and I graduated in 2012. Now, like him, I did get 2 degrees. One in communication, and the other one in communication. An associate's and a bachelor's. I'm not just a one-trick pony.
No, man.
I'm not even a pony. I think it's clear that some of the people from Ohio State did not understand the assignment tonight. Well, I did understand the assignment, as I have heard them from our coach and savior, Mr. Harbaugh. Now, I have written some notes I'm going to need my glasses for. What? I write small.
Too late. That was going to be gratuitous use of props, but I'm going to let it slide.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I do want to address something that I noticed when I got in here tonight, being single. I noticed that there is a lot of breast diversity in the room tonight. I could tell because my mouth was watering as soon as I got in here, and I noticed there's just a lot of different kind of breasts. There's big uns and little uns and long ones and plump ones.
Flag on the play.
I'm going to talk about the women's too. You can't keep buzzing people so fast.
Flag on the play.
All right, listen, I'm going to get this through. This has been a travesty from start to finish. People acting like we're stealing signs, like stealing signs is such a bad thing. Everybody does it. We all know that. Hell, Jason even knew. His car ain't going to be here when he leaves. Come on now, you know. You ain't even bolting these down. I'm just going to keep taking them. I stole this one for Dino. Here you go, buddy. It's off the bathroom here. That will. When you find yourself in the women's room, you can explain it.
You would think there'd be a flag on that, but I know you're all right. You're okay.
There's not going to be. Jay called me Negro light. That is offensive, Jay. The politically correct term is diet black. If you're a female and you're also single, you can use the expression gateway black. That's also accepted.
I don't know why he's buzzing. That's funny.
People are saying this, Connor Stallion's gentleman. A gentleman, American citizen. Some people say cheater. Up north, we call him a patriot. And it's a fine line between cheating and patriotism. Ask any of the presidents we've had in the last 20 years. I'll end on this. It's been a true honor to be a part of the Great Debate for the last 14 years. I went to Wright State. I didn't go to the Ohio State, so my math might be a little off. A lot of people say Wright State, wrong student. I know. A lot of people said, Adrian, why are you going to school? You can't even read. I said, I've been faking it long enough. But I want to thank Dino for shepherding this merry band of misfits and letting us make fun of each other and all the love that we have for each other. Henry, Chris, Hagrid, my Michigan brethren and sistren. And I want to prove to y'all that the restraining order between me and Nikki has been lifted. Nikki, will you please stand up and give me a hug for these people so they can see that we've made some progress? Maybe next year she'll let me see my baby. Thank you very much. I'm Adrian Cosby.